All right, and we are back. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Jay Silgin, and we are here with another video. Right before we get straight into it, I just want to say thank you so much for 700 subscribers. 700 of you from around the world tune in to this channel and content every time I drop videos. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna try my very best to give you content that's gonna help with your lives. Okay. So, the title of this video is How to Be a Good Friend. Okay? How to be a good friend. And that's a big problem with this generation. And I'm not even just talking about the young guys, I'm also talking about the older guys, right? A lot of you, I'll just say it how it is, a lot of you are bad friends. You can do so much better with the friends you have, okay? A lot of you have great friends that you don't even acknowledge them the way that they should be acknowledged. Truthfully told, a lot of you have friends that are irreplaceable, okay? And you know deep down that you need to improve. You know deep down that you should treat them a little bit better, right? And that's what this video is here for, man. It's all about improving. I'm not here to take the piss and slander you and put you down. I'm just here to point out where you can improve, okay? There's always room for improvement with all of our lives, with absolutely everything, okay? No one is perfect. I always say no one is perfect except God, right? So, how to be a good friend, right? Let's start with the health aspect of things, okay? A lot of you have friends, or you may be the friend that doesn't exercise, you don't work out. And it's like, bro, in this generation, in this life that we're living in right now, with all of this technology and all of this information, you should be working out, okay? I'm not saying you have to lift heavy weights every day. You can do cardio, you can play sports. It's up to you, right? Everyone's different, but you should be working out. A lot of you or your friends, you don't be doing that, right? And this is important because, you know what? I'll just tell a story of some old friends I had. We used to work out every week, right? Not every day, because I don't like training with people every day. I just say it how it is. I don't like working out with people every day because the gym is me time, okay? I just like doing that, working out with other people kind of shit, like once a week, twice a week. It is what it is. So, I had some old friends and we used to train every week, right? And it was very good. It actually strengthened our friendship. And from training with each other, it wasn't just about giving each other gym advice, or, you know, giving each other a spot in the gym, right? Because we went to the gym. It was more than that. When we linked up and we trained, we could also help each other with our problems in life, right? We could also give each other advice with any struggles we were going through. And things like that just improved our friendship, right? So I always say, like, yo, a group of guys, a group of you, or with your friends, train together when you can, right? I'm not saying do it every day. Everyone's different. Everyone likes different things. But I will say, make the effort to train with each other sometimes. Like, that can improve your friendship a lot. You don't know it until you try it, right? So, you know, that's really the health side of things. And when it comes to nutrition, right? When it comes to nutrition, you want to hold each other accountable, okay? If your friend is getting fat or they're getting really skinny, tell them straight up, like, yo, bro, like, yo, you getting skinny, fam. Or, yo, you getting too fat, bro. Like, I can see your belly hanging out, blah, blah, blah. You're just getting fat. You're getting chubby. You're putting on that weight and you need to lose it. All right. And this ain't to put your friend down before all of these soft people come into the picture, right? Look, we live in a generation where people these days are now soft, okay? If you call someone skinny or fat, a lot of people are going to get emotional about it. And I couldn't give a fuck, all right? I like saying things how they are. So hold your friends accountable if they're getting too skinny or if they're becoming fat. There's nothing wrong with being slim, But if they're getting too skinny and if they're getting fat, tell them and hold them accountable. And don't just insult them, okay? Educate them. But don't come across as if you are their dad, okay? Don't, that's a big mistake a lot of guys make. Don't do that. So you just want to say, like, yo, bro, you getting fat. Yo, bro, you're just losing too much weight. What's going on? And then bring them in, like, yo, do you want to train together? Yo, let's work out together, bro. Let's help each other and push each other to reach our goals, right? So that's really the health side of things, okay? Now, when it comes to the wealth side of things with your friends, right? It's two ways, okay? I always say if you're very good at something and your friend is very good at another thing, work with each other and start a business, right? Because you can cover their weaknesses and they can cover your weaknesses. You don't want to start a business together when you are the exact same. That's not really going to work very well, okay? So, yeah, if you guys share similar interests but you excel with different skills, oh, if you work together, that's a very good thing to do. Like, for example, let's say one of you is great at sales and one of you is great with marketing, okay? That is a deadly combination if you start a business together. You will go far. As long as you don't give up and you stay disciplined, you will go far, right? But if you're both good at marketing, it's like, okay, who's going to do the other parts? You know, if you're both bad with those things. So, you can, when it comes to the wealth side of things with your friends, right? You can start a business together or businesses together. Or, right, let's say you don't want to do that, right? Because not everyone wants to, and that's fine. Let's say you want to do different things. Well, just support your boy, man. A lot of you niggas, man, look, a lot of you guys, you don't support your brethrens. You do not support your boys as you should. You don't you don't show them some love on their posts. You don't share their business. You don't buy from them. You ask for discounts. And that's not cool. That's not cool. Like, imagine if that was you and they did the same thing. You would be pretty pissed off. You would be annoyed, right? So it's either the route of you start a business together or you do different things. But I would say to be a good friend with that, support your boy, bro. Like, support your boy. It doesn't cost a lot. It don't really cost anything at all, right? Like a post, share it, you know, give them some advice on what's good and what's not so good, right? If they're selling something, you know, with whatever they're selling, buy from them. If you can, if it relates to you and it makes sense, buy from them. Don't ask for no discount, bro. Like, that's just weird. That's your boy. You see him working hard and you want to ask him for a discount with his business. Nah, man, pay full price. Be a man, bro. Pay full price, okay? It's not hard. And that means so much to them. And here's the thing, right? You can even just leave a review. Leave a review, a 5-star review with their business, whatever it is, right? Things like that go a long way and they mean a lot to people. Trust me, okay? Trust me. I know so many people who, you know, do their own thing. They're an entrepreneur, and most of the time, their friends and even their family, they don't support them like that. And that really hurts them, okay? That really pisses them off. That hurts them. But at the end of the day, they know what it is, okay? The real ones will. And the ones who aren't real, they won't support. So that's just the way life goes, sadly. So, you know, if you're currently doing that, if you're one of those people, I'm here to tell you, bro, support your boys with their business, okay? Just show a little bit of love. Trust me, that will mean the world to them. And here's the thing, think long term, bro. When when they are more successful, right? Because you showed support, do you really not think that they're gonna leave you? No. Of course they'll bring you along. They'll give you the opportunity. But I'm not saying to just do it for the opportunity. I'm saying to do it to be a genuine good friend. If you care about your boy and you got love for your boy, show him support. If you don't care about your boy like that and you don't give a fuck, end the friendship, bro. Why are you friends? What's the point? It's a waste of time. So that's really the wealth side of things, is to either start businesses together if you have skills that you can put together, right? Or if you want to do different things, that's fine. Just support each other, right? Don't just leave each other hanging and not show no love, right? And build all this envy and jealousy. No, don't do that, bro. That's petty shit, man. A lot of you will support Drake. You'll support Lil Baby. You'll support Central C with their new songs or whatever they're doing. You won't support your brethren. You won't support your brethren. How does that make sense? Those celebs that I mentioned, they don't even know you. They probably never will. How does that make sense? Right? That's stupid, bro. That is very dumb. So, you know what you need to do? You know what you need to do? If you have any jealousy or envy, for any friends that are doing well with themselves, that is very dumb. And I advise you to turn that into positive energy. It's normal for all of us to become jealous of someone who's doing well that we know of. It's normal. That's just a normal human trait, right? It's in our nature. However, how you channel that is what makes you a good or bad person, okay? So, for example, if your friend's doing well, exceptionally well, way better than you are, but you came from the same place, the best thing to do is to support them and even just reach out and ask them how they did what they're doing. What mentors did they have? You know? That's how you can get yourself pulled up. Don't be a jealous fuck, bro. Stop being jealous and envious of your friends. Because I'm telling you, karma will bite you back later on in life. Okay? So that's the wealth side of things when it comes to friendships. Okay? Now I'm going to talk about the relationship side. Okay? Look, when it comes to girls, stop dealing with girls your boys have dealt with. Stop dealing with your boys' exes. Stop letting your boys deal with your exes. Just stop that crap, man. That's weird. That is very weird. Let me tell you why. No, let me just give you an example of how weird that is, right? For example, your boy was with a girl for 3 years, okay? Fast forward, they've split up. They're no longer together. Now she's showing you attention, right? She's showing you attention and you kind of like it, you find her attractive, and then you go out of your way to deal with that girl. Bro, let me just embarrass you right now, bro, right? You dealing with a girl who got on her knees for your boy and, did things with his thing. And now you want to deal with that same girl. That's disgusting. That's your boy, bro. You know? That's your boy. That's not just a stranger. That's your boy, G. That's weird, G. That's very weird. So, look, stop dealing with your boys' exes and stop letting your boys deal with your exes. It's weird. It's not cool, right? It's very weird and immature, right? Now, with other things, a lot of you take the piss to reply to your boys, man. Your close people. And not even just boys, not even just friends, family as well. A lot of you take the piss to reply to your family as well as your boys. These are the people that care about you the most in your life. And you take the piss to respond. But you respond to girls within 10 seconds or a minute. That makes no sense, G. That makes no sense. What are you doing? Because one day when these people are not around, or God forbid, if they died, right, you would feel bad for all those little things. I'm telling you. I used to do this stuff. I used to take the piss to respond to family and friends. I used to. I used to see their message and say, oh, I'll respond later. But then reality hits, man. You just end up experiencing things which make you think like, yo, these are the closest people in my circle. I can't take the piss with them. Some of these people are irreplaceable. No homo. I can't take the piss with them. I need to be better. So I'm advising you guys to do the same, right? The girls can wait, okay? Put your friends and your family, the close ones, before that. And then go deal with the girls you want to deal with. I'm not saying don't, but hey, man, that's how you become a better friend, right? That's how you become a good friend. In fact, let me give you some extras. You see, when one of your friends is getting married or is having a kid, it's not even just about things with them starting their own business. Even when it comes to them getting married or having kids, support them. I don't mean just turn up to the wedding or baby shower or whatever. I mean buy gifts, donate money. If your boy is getting married, donate money. If your boy is having kids, donate money or buy things that will be useful to taking care of the kids. Preferably that last a long time. Okay? Nappies or diapers, they're too basic. Buy things that will last a long time. That's how you be a good friend. All these things I've listed in this video, that's how you be a good friend, right? When you go to their wedding or their baby shower or their birthdays, get a trim, bro. Show some respect. I think the worst one is when you go to a wedding with no trim. Like that's your boy or even your brother, and you go in there with no trim, bro. That's bummy. If any guy did that to me, any of my boys came to my wedding with no trim, I would kick them out. I'm being serious. I would kick them out. But yeah, all those things I've listed, those are things you can try and do, right? To be a good friend or to be a better friend to the ones you have. That's it. It's not hard. Just take action with those things and watch. You will see a difference. You will see a difference, okay? So, yeah, that's today's video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any video requests, be sure to comment them down below or send me a DM on Instagram. But hey, that's today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Trust me. New videos every week, okay? So, thank you. Have a good day. God bless.